Oh yeah. What did we get today? I've been waiting for that bad boy for a while. Little heat shield from Viper. Oh man, I'm excited to try that bad boy out. Woo-wee! Feels good. Got me a Vito backpack from Trutech. My bag has just been getting loaded up with so many tools. Throw the iPad in here. And yeah, I'm excited to get this thing going. Maybe throw the probes in on the side. I think on there's a Vito giveaway. We get another side bag. It's a SP something. I had to wait till I got this thing back and put the information on Trutech. Man, those zippers are nice. Oh yeah. This is sweet. My handbag, it's still good, but I just got to divide it up. Computer. Yeah, maybe the tablet will go in there. So I got one for Ampli and an iPad Pro, and then I got one for like Measure Quick. You know, it's a cheaper version. Just beat it up, slip in right here. And I figure I do probes in here, some light stuff, and then if I need to work, do like a filter dryer repair. I got my other Vito bag. Just break it up a little bit because I'm always on a maintenance bringing a heavy bag with me. So this is going to be great. Got me a little